As a homeowner, there are things you should do each month to make sure your house stays in top condition. So here are the 8 things for this month to keep your house in working order.
Here are your home maintenance tasks for March. 1. Clean gutters and downspouts in preparation for spring rain. 2. Inspect and clean window and door screens. 3. Service your lawn mower and garden tools. 4. Check outdoor faucets for leaks and damage from freezing temperatures. 5. Begin inspecting decks, fences, and patios for repairs. 6. Replace furnace filters after heavy winter use. 7. Deep clean and reseal tile and grout in high traffic areas. 8. Inspect your driveway for cracks and repair as needed.
And those are your maintenance tips for this month. My name is Shawn Ousley, your Realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area. If you're looking to buy, sell, or find some investment property, feel free to give me a call. My number's right here. Have a great and wonderful day.